In the world that we live in, many times we have been drawn away from our goals. There are few who are so much disturbed by the life they have lived. They cause a pain, a burden to their parents, and great regrets are carried in their hearts. Dear friends, I really don't know how far you are from God's love, but when you call on to Him, He is gracious to give you all that you really wanted in your life, to be His child. A droplet from the sky fell on the leaf. It was so beautiful. Whenever the public looked at it, it viewed the buildings, the sky on it as a reflection. Cameramen from different angles took pictures of it. As time passed by, a wind blew forcefully. The droplet that was admired now fell on the road. As a vehicle passed on it, it moved from the road to the gutter. Oh, it hated the place. It was so stinky and irritating to be in. It wanted to come out, but all around the droplet, it was a filthy place to be. The droplet looked at the sky and said, God, help me out, Lord, help me out. I really don't want this place. It's really bad. God was gracious. He wanted and planned to help the droplet out. He made the sun to shine brightly, and the next day the droplet evaporated into the sky, and within moments, becoming the cloud, it came back as rain to form on the leaf as a droplet again. Once again, it was admired by the society and the people. Dear friends, we are called to live a great and a significant life. Many things around us make us be fallen into a gutter. Do not lose hope. Call on to your loving God, and He is gracious to change your circumstances, to make you be seated on the throne again, where you receive admiration and praise.